Okay, good day. Our first lesson for this week is sampling distribution of sample means. And we have two objectives for lesson number one. It says at the end of the lesson, you're expected to distinguish between parameter and statistics, construct sampling distribution of the sample means. In addition to objective number two, you're going to learn how to draw histogram of the sampling distribution of the sample means. Now, our main focus of this video is for you to differentiate parameter from statistics and for you to identify the population and sample data from a given situation ay present ko sa inyo sa next slides. But first, let us define important terms for this lesson. We have population. It is the complete collection of individuals to be studied. Okay? And ibig sabihin nito, basta any selection of individuals and they are grouped together and they have a common feature, tatawagin natin siyang population. So when we say sample naman, it is a sub-collection of members selected from a population. In other words, sample is a subset of a population or a significant portion siya ng ating population, just like sa ating image na nasa screen. Okay? Kagaya ng aking example sa first video about DepEd would like to find out the mathematics performance of the grade school pupils in the entire country, yun yung ating population doon. All grade school pupils in the country. Ano yung sample natin? Pwedeng grade 6 students lang or grade 1 students lang or let's say grade school pupils lang sa Quezon Province. Yun can be sample yon or subset of the population. Now, I'm going to give you example in identifying population and sample. Okay. I have here a survey will be given to 20 students randomly selected from the grade 7 students at Quezon Science High School. What is the sample? What is the population? Now, yung ating individuals of study dito, ano ba? Yun yung ating population. Okay? Ano ba yung pinag-uusapan? Grade 7 students. So, therefore, ang ating population dito, all grade 7 students. At yung 20 na figure, o yung numerical data dito, ito yung selected from the grade 7 students. So, therefore, ang ating sample is 20 grade 7 students. And as you can see, these 20 grade 7 students ay subset lang siya ng ating population. Okay? Now, we have parameter. It is a numerical measurement describing some characteristic of a population. So, ibig sabihin, numerical measurement that you obtain from the population is called parameter. While statistics is a numerical measurement describing some characteristic of a sample. So, if you did some measurement from the sample data, that numerical measurement is called statistics. Okay? Now, I have here descriptive measures of parameters and statistics at ganun din yung mga symbols nila. For statistics, yung proportion, ang ginagamit nating symbol is p-hat. Para sa parameter or population proportion, ginagamit natin rho. For the sample mean, we use x bar, and for the population mean, we use mu symbol. And for the standard deviation, para sa ating sample data, we use small letter s. At para naman doon sa ating population standard deviation, we use the symbol sigma. Okay? Now, I have your example para ma-identify natin yung kung alin dito yung parameter at alin dito yung statistics. I have here the problem. Quezon Science High School wants to estimate the average height of the grade 7 students. From a random sample of 20 grade 7 students, the school obtains a sample mean of 150 centimeters. What is the parameter? What is the statistics? So, alamin natin yung numerical measurement. Okay? So, pag ginawa mo yung ating mean, kinuha mo yung mean ng entire population ng grade 7 students at Quezon Science High School. So, that is the parameter. the average height of all grade 7 students. Pero yung numerical measurement na 150 centimeters, that is the average height of the sample data na 20 grade 7 students randomly selected from the population. That is our statistics. The average height of 150 centimeters from a sample of 20 grade 7 students. Now, yung ating population dito, yung all grade 7 students, while yung ating sample data, yung 20 grade 7 students. Okay? And the last, dun sa ating definition of terms, we have sampling error. The difference between the sample mean and the population mean is what we call the sampling error. Let's say we have a population mean mu taken from the population data, and we have a sample mean x bar taken from the sample data. If you get the difference of the two, that is what we call the sampling error. Okay. So on my next video, I'm going to give you examples in identifying parameter, statistics, population, and sample given yung setting or situation. Para lalo nyo pang maintindihan yung difference between parameter and statistics. So, thank you.